Hi everyone, here we have this foldable wireless keyboard. This is going to be for your iPad, your phone, other tablet. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Now I chose this gold color and I'm obsessed. I love anything gold, but this is really cool. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it up this way, or it's gonna be folded up. And when you need to use it, all you're gonna do is simply fold it out right there. And it has the mouse design, which I think is awesome. You have all of your standard keys. It has really good support, easy to carry, easy to store. You have these little tabs on here too that kind of keep it in place. And this has quite the working distance, so I really like that. Has a high sensitive touchpad, so for sure enjoy the freedom that it gives you. I like this because I travel a lot, so being on an airplane and being able to have something small that fits the tray, or if I'm at a cafe, this is something so small and sleek, or I can put it just, you know, on any little folding table, any small space, even in the car. So this is really cool. I like that it's fashionable, slim, and as I mentioned, portable. You can see here that it's gonna give you the iOS, the Android, the Windows, or the Mac operating system option. So you're just gonna select. It's very easy to go ahead and Bluetooth it. It comes with this little phone stand that is adjustable, you can see here. So here you're gonna see, right, how easy it is to type something in. You can see that all the keys, they're so synced in. So excellent, just instant, seamless connection. As I mentioned, you have the control panels, you have everything that you would have on a normal keyboard. Here in the instruction manual, it's going to give you all these additional instructions on how to swipe, how to use the mouse pad, and also some cheat codes here on how to use your key and your functions. And it gives you instructions on how to pair it. Like I said, super easy. You get an extra little USB port here, you get the charger, and that's it. We get to go ahead, fold it up, and stick it in our tote, stick it in our bag, carry-on, backpack, purse. This is amazing. Absolutely love it, you guys. Enjoy.